How you doing?
Good. Oh, no, yeah.
Hey, I do content creation. I do mowing for people's lawns that are overgrown for free. Just wondering about that house across the street. Is that
Actually, I
that
know it's
vacant?
currently it's not occupied, and they were working on it, and I only seen that throughout the week. I don't live here
Okay.
necessarily. I'm just here to visit my daughter. But I can tell you, last week.
So no one's been living there?
Nobody's living there right now. I know that for sure.
Okay.
And I only seen people doing work, fixing stuff up and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. So do you think it'd be okay if I just mowed that down?
I would say yeah.
I don't see why they would say no.
Everyone, it's Vince with Rooter Lawn Co. I'm starting a new series here and giving back to those who've overgrown properties and need some help. I'm able to do this because Greenworks was kind enough to provide me with their lineup of battery tools to use on these properties. This grass here is around 2 feet tall. In some areas it definitely looks like it hasn't been mowed for a really long time. I wasn't able to reach the homeowner. Here I'm talking a little bit of the neighbors, but I did knock on the door across the street and they told me that no one's been living here in this house for a while, but they've seen some contractors there. Stay tuned because you'll be able to hear the whole conversation I had with him. Yeah.
I'm coming up there in about 10 minutes or so. I should be there.
No, so I run a YouTube and Instagram channel and I mow people's lawns for free. So I saw the lawn was high, talked to the neighbor and figured I'd start mowing your lawn here until your contractor gave me your number. So it's completely free.
Well, how do you do that?
I mow the lawn, I post it on the internet, people watch it, actually get a little bit of money back, which helps kind of fund these things. So I get to charge the homeowner nothing and have fun doing it.
Well, I'm happy to give you something for it. Goodness gracious. I mean, I don't want to, it's a rental that it's a rental that we're fixing up. So, eventually I'll have, somebody to mow the grass. You want to mow the grass all the time? I'll pay you for it?
No, I mean, if you keep letting it get high, I might have to come back, but no.
Oh, yeah, I was going to be up there this past week, and I didn't get up there. Now, this week I'm finally showing up with some more supplies, and I brought the mower along. But, hey, that's incredible. If you want to mow my grass, I'm not going to tell you no.
Nope. Yeah, I'm using all battery equipment, so I'm testing out the battery equipment too. So, yeah.
Super high. I'm going to be anxious to see how that turns out with a battery mower.
Me too. So we're gonna keep on mowing here, and we'll see how it turns out.
What the heck? Well, I'll see you in a few minutes probably.
All right, I'll see you. All right, let's pop this off. Let's see what our battery charges are like. Let's check this battery. We ran down the charge on that battery. And if we're looking at this one, oh, we still have a full battery. So we used one full battery for this whole entire job. Big time before and after. Looks so much better. Yeah, so
How's this thing working?
good. So this is the Greenworks mower that I used.
How many? 60 volts.
60 volts. So I used one battery. I still have a full charge left.
So you have 2 batteries in one.
2 batteries in one.
So that thing mowed, those 2 batteries will mow this whole thing?
That one battery mowed everything.
Oh.
And then I have, each trimmer and stuff runs off of a battery too.
Interesting.
So yeah,
Cool.
it did a great job. I was surprised. It's
Wow.
super quiet.
Huh.
Yeah, you just press this in.
What the heck?
Yeah.
That's crazy. What's the charge time on those batteries?
Anywhere from like 30 minutes to an hour.
So it's kind of like a sponsor for them. Like you get this kind of promote.
Yeah,
their product?
so they sent me their whole lineup, and then what I'm doing is I'm giving back to people that have overgrown lawns.
What the
I
heck?
film it, I put it on YouTube, and
Well, thanks, man. I mean, what
Yeah.
the heck? This is a neat mower.
it is. And there's a,
Price on something like this?
I believe it's around $400 to $500.
bad.
It's not,
I mean, compared gas is that much. You know,
and there's no
something-
maintenance on it. So like
It's a mulching blade, or just this is not a mulching
this is not a mulching
you
blade.
get a mulching blade?
They do have mulching blades for them.
blade?
Yeah,
Oh, that's sweet.
yeah,
What the heck?
baggers and everything. Yeah, so
Gee whiz. That's pretty solid.
yeah, and I mean it's light enough that
Wow.
you can just throw it around and.
Wow. Pretty impressive.
Yeah, yeah. So a lot of battery out there,
Yeah.
a lot of wrap on them, bad wrap. So it's like, well,
Yeah, what the heck?
let's put it to the test.
Well, there you go. This was crazy high, man.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it
Well, there
was.
you go. Hope it works out.